Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inside Your Mind, the podcast where we explore how the human mind and language work together. Today's topic is about psycholinguistics. I'm Melanie Sarango, and today I'm here with my classmates Stefano, Giselle, Paola, and Grace. So today we will answer some important questions. So let's go. Okay, so the first question is what is psycholinguistic? Psycholinguistics is the study of the intricate relationship between the language and the human mind. It explores how people understand, produce, and acquire language, revealing the complex mental processes that make communication possible. In simple terms, psycholinguistics bridge the gap between psychology and linguistics by examining how our brain processes syntax, semantics, and vocabulary. It also investigates how we learn languages, whether as children acquire our first language or as adults studying a second one. Now, a fun fact. The term psycholinguistic was first used in 1951 during a seminar at Cornell University. Now, let's move on to the next question. Now, Giselle, tell us why is psycholinguistic important for teaching training?
Hi, I am Giselle Rosales. Well, for me, psycholinguistics helps teachers understand how students acquire and process language, which is essential for teaching effectively. For example, when a child says, I got to the park instead of I went, it is not just a mistake, it is evidence that their brain is creating grammar rules. Knowing that helps teachers respond with understanding instead of frustration. Also, psycholinguistics explains how memory, attention, and motivation influence language learning. So, when we design lessons, we can include strategies that help students remember new vocabulary, like connecting words with images, emotions, or personal experiences. Thank you.
Okay, now, Grace, what are the main disciplines and sub-disciplines that support psycholinguistics?
Okay, psycholinguistics is supported by several fields. The main ones are psychology, which studies the mind and behavior, and linguistics, which studies the structure and use of language. There are also related subdisciplines like neurolinguistics, cognitive science, and sociolinguistics. For instance, neurolinguistics studies which parts of the brain are responsible for language. Broca's area helps us produce speech, and Wernicke's area helps us understand it. There's a famous historical case of a man known as Tang, who could only say the word Tang because his Broca's area was damaged. That's how scientists discover it's functional. Thank you.
Okay, now, Paola, tell us what exactly is language from a psycholinguistic point of view.
Hello, my name is Jessica Santa Fe. I'll talk about what is language. Language is more than just words. It is a system, symbols, or rules that allows humans to communicate ideas, emotion, and knowledge. It involves some gestures and writing, all of which carry meaning. One fun fact is the baby start recognizing the rhythm and melody of their mother's voice while still in the womb. This shows that humans are biologically prepared to acquire language. Thank you.
And finally, tell us, Stefano, what is a code in psycholinguistics?
Hello, I talk about a little of psycholinguistics. In psycholinguistics, this refers to how our brain transforms thoughts into linguistic symbols. For instance, when we think of coffee, our brain connects to the smell, color, and taste with the sound and spelling of the word. That's the brain using a code to link sensory experience and language. And for bilinguals, code switching is common, like when someone says, I will call you now. The brain switched language without even realizing it. That shows how flexible our cognitive system is. Thank you.
So, after all this discussion, we can say that as future educators, understanding psycholinguistics remind us that teaching a language means working with the human mind, something complex but also deeply beautiful. So, thank you for listening and watching us. See you. Bye bye.